Hey, this is Optimus Prime for Life with another video review. This time it is deluxe class Hailstorm. He's a missile carrier, a green missile carrier. I think he's pretty nice, worth picking up if you're on a budget. The missile shooting thingamabobber, whatever it's called, moves up and down and can rotate to the sides. The missiles aren't spring-loaded. To fire them, you actually have to press on the back, and the force will actually send it flying because it's clipped in there pretty well. Not much else to say about the vehicle mode. So yeah, to transform him, you want to push up right here, bring these up. Then you want to pull the treads out and bring the whole tread and arm around, and then the tread pegs into itself. And you want to do the same with the other side. And then you want to flip out his head. Then you want to come back down here, flip down his feet, and they kind of, I'm not sure how to say it, but pull him down and swing him around, and like the ankle kind of moves around, flips around. And you want to pull arms out to the side, and he'll kind of squeeze down together. You gotta do it just right because sometimes he'll get caught on himself. And there we go. And then you want to, well, these parts are supposed to flip them up, but I guess they kind of flip on their own if you forget about them. And you want to take the waist and bring it forward and peg it in. And while his legs are flipped up, you rotate this all the way around, or 180, and put it against his back. And then his knees, you can just kind of bring him out. I like to keep him closed because he stands better. And to finish it off, you open this, bring these up, close it, separate them, and you just kind of push them down, and they actually kind of peg on to his shoulder. If I can just see. Oh. Okay, if I can just get this in all light. There we go. There. And then peg onto his shoulder, just like that. And now you have Hailstorm in robot mode. And again, missiles fire the same way. You can move his head down so it looks like he has like no neck and he's kind of hunched over. So it looks like a hunchback, if you ask me. He has some articulation. His arms go 360. Well, they would if these were on the way, but ball joint elbows, up and down there. Ball joint head. His feet can move a little bit. Pretty good articulation, I think, for his size. He does seem kind of small and pudgy. And not a lot else about him. But one thing I do like about him is if you can make him kind of kneel, sort of like that, which I think is cool for a couple reasons. One, it could be like his firing position for his missiles, or like he could be bowing down to Megatron or whoever you want him to bow down to. But yeah, that's one thing I like about him. So if you're on a budget, I would definitely think about picking him up. He's pretty cool. Just got him today along with a couple other figures. So there you have it, Deluxe Class Hailstorm.